Is it too heavy to lift laundry detergent with hand? Is it difficult to measure detergent dosage? Is it hard to remove stubborn stain? Is the clothes turned yellow and far from new? Let you feel light. Clean laundry secrets are here. CAYCH laundry pods make laundry more convenient and clean. A box of CAYCH laundry pods contains 30 pods and only 500 gram weight including the box. Take out one CAYCH laundry pod. CAYCH laundry pods are wrapped by water soluble film with high strength and easy decomposition. Throw a laundry pod into the washing machine. The bead will dissolve into water completely. CAYCH laundry pods contains natural enzymes and non-ionic surfactants with 6 times of concentrated detergent essence and 8 times of cleaning capacity. The sterilization rate reached 99%. Produce endless clean power. Easily remove stains and bacteria. One CAYCH pod can clean 14 pieces of ordinary clothes. CAYCH uses a natural formula free of phosphorus and bleach, so it's safe and not irritating, which also suitable for infants and people with sensitive skin. CAYCH laundry pods. Love family, love life.